Can you please tell us what are the reasons for this fast growth?
The main reason for this is a very strong demand for boron products over the last 2-3 years. Boron in the form of boric acid and borax is used widely in steel industry, glass and ceramic industry, which have been doing very well over the last 2 years. That has consequently resulted in a strong demand for boron, which has been benefited us immensely.
What have been the major achievements of the company in the last 1 year?
Last 1 year we have been able to increase our production by 25%, and then again this year we have been able to increase by another 20%, which has resulted in even greater economies of scale, as well as allowed us to source our raw material, which is primarily imported, in larger quantities, which has helped in cutting down the transportation cost. This will definitely reflect in better bottom lines in times to come.
And this expansion you have carried with this putting fresh funds, or
This has been done only with our internal accruals. We have not approached the market or borrowed from any sources for this expansion.
right now what is the capacity utilization?
The capacity utilization is almost 95-96% of the installed capacity.
How is company is working in the current year?
The company is again growing in the current year. As I explained, we have increased our production by 20% as compared to last year. This year too we see a very strong demand for boron products, particularly from fiberglass, glass and ceramic, leather, pharmaceutical sector. So the prices for boron products will remain strong this year, and we hope to see a good growth.
What are your views on the industry as a whole?
The industry as a whole is going through an upswing. Boron has started finding application in agriculture, which is very encouraging. It has been proven by field trials that boron increases the yield of several products like soybean, sugarcane. Once it is established all over India that boron is indeed good for agriculture, the demand will zoom, because India is, as it is, deficient in boron, and the government recognizes this fact that we are deficient in boron. Therefore, we expect encouragement from government as well.
What steps you have taken for improvement in margins?
Now, boric acid and other boron products are essentially made from boron ores. The boron ores are not found in India and have to be imported from countries in Latin America or Turkey. We have changed our imports from these countries. Earlier we used to import in containers. Now we have changed to break bulk and loose bulk while importing our raw material. This has resulted in major savings in freight costs. This is expected to help our bottom line significantly. The second is increase in capacity utilization of our plant. This has led to greater economies of scale. This will again help our bottom lines.
What steps you are taking for adding more value to your products?
We have developed some specialty products for glass and ceramics as well as agriculture sector. The product for agriculture sector is known as Indo Borax, while the product for glass and ceramics is known as glaze bore. These are in addition to our existing products, boric acid and borax. We are very hopeful with our new product Indo Borax, because we propose to have it blended with the fertilizers in order to correct the boron deficiency in the soil. Once it gains acceptance as a blend in fertilizers, the market for it will be tremendous. In fact, it could go up to lakhs and lakhs of tons. Therefore, I am very hopeful for its growth.
How much strong is your marketing infrastructure?
We have very strong marketing infrastructure. We have our own offices in Hyderabad, Indore, Calcutta. Apart from that, we have a very strong dealer network. We are represented in almost all the major cities and all the consuming centers in India. We also market directly from our office in Bombay. We cover the whole of the country.
Can you tell us something about your market share in different products?
Yes, for boric acid, our market share is around 60%. And for Indo Borax and glaze board, we are the only people who make this product. In fact, nobody in the world has this technology. These products have been developed with almost 7 years of research on biocharacteristics of borax and boric acid. At present, we are on a growing curve for these two products, but we are very hopeful for their success in future.
What's your business philosophy?
Our business philosophy is to be a very strong supplier of borates, as well as be a diversified company. Therefore, we propose to enter into construction sector as well.
What's your secret of success and the fast growth?
The secret of success is our pool of talent, which is experienced in boron for the last 20-25 years and have developed a lot of expertise in this product. With this pool of talent, we are able to develop new products as well as streamline our process regularly.